we're evaluating the composition of functions. Here's our example.
The next one is an iterative process. Apologies to my regular web viewers. These con videos is not what I want to do, but they're so much easier. You ready? And faster. You ready? Okay. Are you ready? We're doing composition. Let's go. Da-da-do-do. So, don't mind the small g, see? Because here we say we have g. We can be like, what up, g? It's going to be an x squared minus a 4x minus a 6, and they want us to find g of 3. So, that's literally g of minus 3. Alright, so we need to go and we need to get that interior part. What we're looking for is g of minus 3. That says in g, everywhere we see an x, we put a minus 3. Now we carefully use parentheses so we can see that this is a minus 3 squared minus, it's a minus 4 times a minus 3 minus 6. Woo, barely fit that one on there. Minus 3 squared, that's 9. Fine, it's a positive 9. And a minus make mas. 12. And then we subtract off 6. So then 6 plus 9 is 15. So, what's that? That says, boom, g of minus 3 is 15. So we can replace the g of minus 3 with g of 15. Alright, I'm ready for the next part in our iterative process. What are we looking for? We're looking for g of 15. I know, big numbers, that's the stuff they don't like. But I still replace all my x's with 15. So that's minus 4 times 15 minus 6. Let's go through. Let's get that. 15 squared. Crap. I think that's 225. Check me. If I'm wrong, make sure you comment in below. 4 times 15 is 60 minus 6. Oh, these are big. Nasty. So, let's check that out. 225 minus 60. Whoop, that's a 5. I borrow, that's a 12, that's a 1, that's a 6, that's a 1. That's 165 for those first pairs. And then we're going to subtract 6. Well, what does that all come down to? That all comes down to 159. So my g of 15 is 159. Let's point out a couple of things. Boom! What did I first do? First, I expanded this notation into that notation, and then I found this piece, g of 3. Once I found that g of minus 3 was 15, I replaced that in here, because g of minus 3 is 15, so g of minus 3 is really g of 15. So then I found that to be a 159. And then that's what gets the box and the flower.